You've all heard about these PTO links. How many times have we all been right here finding the button, trying to get everything aligned, and I'll just about guarantee you it's either 95 degrees outside or you're freezing. So let me show you what I've got to fix that problem. Got the male and the female ends, came via UPS. Now this is obviously the part that goes on your implement. Yes, you can change these from implement to implement, or you can just buy a bunch of these for each implement if you got deep pockets. I mean, it would be more convenient, but I've got better things to spend my money on than being too lazy to. And I'm not knocking anybody that does, but and I may eventually do that, but these things aren't exactly cheap. I mean, they're not overly expensive, but I think I can swap this out from implement to implement myself and save a couple $100. And this is obviously the part that mates up to the PTO off of your tractor. The quick link system, I ordered this from somebody that's selling them on GoodWorks Tractor's website. This part goes on your implement, this part goes on your tractor. All you have to do, mount this onto your tractor at the PTO, mount this one onto your implement, line it up just like that, turn it a quarter turn, and you're locked in, rock solid. Now to unhook it, the only thing you have to do, these are their new screws. You pull them out and you just turn them a little bit, and that will allow you to pull that right off. PTO Link is working like a champ. It's been put through its paces here the past couple of days, and let's show you how easy this thing is to take off. All right, this is what we're looking at. They've got some pins in the back. Just reach back here, pull it backwards, rotate it, just a little bit, quarter turn or something. Got another one on this side. There you go. You're unhooked. All right, well, let's hook it back up. Going to release these pins. Might shoot a dog here in a second. Put it back on. There you are. Your PTO is now hooked up. All right, so what are your questions on this PTO Link? It works like a champ. No complaints. If you got a bad back, they really help out in that aspect of bending over and especially picking up heavy PTO shafts and trying to get your mouth just right and get it to hook up to your tractor. I know this has been short, down, and dirty, but if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. Come see us, Hidden Acres Outdoors, and we'll see you next time. Bye.